everyone, it's Anita. I just wanted to show you one of my new designs that I have been working on Canva that is available at my store. Okay, if you have Canva, you are able to design logos, t-shirts, anything that you would like, thumbnails. I use this both for my podcast and my YouTube channel, as well as for my books, as you can see here. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go to the t-shirt design and you're gonna start creating your shirt. This is one of the designs that I created, and it's simple. I just found a font that I liked and I paired it with one of the elements here. As you can see, I had so many to choose from. I just decided to pick sunglasses as we're all going on vacation right now. It's the summer, and I thought this would be the perfect complement for you to wear when you're on vacation. And it gives you a sample of what the shirt will look like. And I want you to see it right here. It's going to be these two, and you're able to see what it's going to look because this is print with Canva. You can also print your designs through Canva. I'm going to upload it onto my store, and this is what it's going to look like. I created one with the white background glasses and one for the black background glasses. The difference being is you can see what it looks like if it's in color, but you can also change it and make it into white. And this is what it's gonna look like in color. Now, what you're gonna do is once you design your template or whatever you wanna design, you're gonna download it as a transparent background. And you're then gonna put it into your folder, you're gonna save it. And then you're gonna take that picture that you just downloaded and you are now going to basically I have to unzip it and then upload it to my folder, and then I'm gonna open my Teespring stores here. We're now in Teesprings. This is the website that I use to upload my designs. I'm gonna go into create, and now I'm gonna go into stickers because I like to create stickers. We're gonna create a tie-dye sticker. I'm gonna pick this one right here. I do change the price because $6.99 is too much. Normally for a sticker, I've seen them go starting prices at $5.99. I'm gonna take my image here and we are gonna go to the one that we just downloaded, which is this one right here. As you can see, now I can preview it and I can see right now it's a little too big, so I'm going to make it a little smaller. I like to use a 3.23 on my size for my sticker, which should be a good size. Here we go. And you can see the size here, it'll tell you. Now I'm gonna take this design, I'm gonna preview it, and this is what my sticker is gonna look like. Now, if everything's okay, I'm gonna continue. And now we're gonna go off to create a t-shirt. Now we're gonna take this one right here, we're gonna open it here, and now we're gonna design it to the way we want it. Right now, I'm gonna take my design and I'm gonna push it up because it's too low. You can tell because when you look at it, you see it just moved up. Now we're gonna pick different backgrounds of what I would like the shirt to look like. I love how this one pops out and it looks beautiful. And this is something that I would wear. I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna lower the price because no, there's no reason that it should be that amount. And I'm going to, now I have all of these selected. Now I can preview what they're gonna look like. Here it's gonna be in white. Here's what it's gonna look like in the lighter blue color. We have the lighter blue and the other shade of blue. I also love this color right here. New colors that you wanna make for your store. I am gonna unclick this and I'm gonna click red. As you can see, this is another option. And then what I'm gonna do now is, I like how this is gonna look, and you can pick up to 15 products. Teesprings has different things that you can design. You can go check it out on your own if you're interested. It's called Teesprings. They're now known as Springs, but you can still search up Teesprings. We're gonna continue. Now I'm gonna label this, whatever I wanna label it. Let's say vacay mode collection. cute vacation teas to put you in the mood. And that's it. I like how this looks, and now we're gonna launch it. And shortly you're gonna see a little banner pop up, and that will tell me that, yay, that it's already in my store. And I can actually go and I can look at the viewing for this. And this is what it's gonna look like. So I have my Witchy Crew community. It's my new fan group that I've created. All you have to do is search up on Facebook for Witchy Crew community and just join. That's it. This is another t-shirt that I have. It's called Book Boyfriends, Are You My Valentines, that I created, and all of the assortments of different things. I also love this one in my bookish tee because, hey, we all need a t-shirt for something. And this is really cute. It comes with this all here, and they're available in different colors. So now you know what I've been up to. I've been creating new t-shirt designs for my Teespring store, which I hope you're gonna enjoy, and go look at it for yourself. It's anitafontaboa.creator-springs.com. I'm going to leave the link in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. But I've been creating so many amazing things. My creativity has been flowing, all the juices, and I hope you like it, especially now since we're in vacation mode, and I thought what a perfect time to create a vacation mode t-shirt. I created a new Facebook group, and all you have to do is search for it. It's called the Witchy Crew Community. It's all inspired by my book, The Cleansing Rituals, and my book, The Gratitude with Grace. It's all about connecting to your spirituality, being connected with body, mind, and spirit. And it's a place where everyone can share some information and inspire other people. So search for it. It's on facebook.com, Witchy Crew Community. If you liked this video and it resonated with you, leave me a comment. Have you been thinking about starting your own business? Well, ask me any questions. I'm available to answer them for you. Just leave me a comment below. And if you liked this video, just click like, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell so you can get notified each time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.